कहानियाँ सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं होती, वो चलती है हमारे बीच, जमीन पर मिट्टी से बनी उम्मीदों की तरह। Welcome, dear viewer, to a journey that proves you don't need magic to create change, you need courage in your heart and kindness in your hands. Today, we walk with a little girl who dared to enter an all-boys engineering class, who wrote a letter that rewrote corporate history, and who chose to build schools and libraries instead of palaces and praise. This is not a tale from ancient legends. This is a real-life story of Sudha Murthy, a woman who turned her 10,000 rupees into a revolution of compassion, books, and belief. So, sit back, let your heart listen, and let your imagination fly, because these are the wings of clay that lifted millions. Some stories begin with a sword, some with a storm, but today's story, it begins with a notebook and a dream. In the tiny village of Shigon, in the quiet town of Shigon, Karnataka, lived a little girl named Sudha. Her house was small, the floors were clay, and books were her best friends. While other kids played outside, Sudha sat cross-legged with a pencil in hand and dreams in her eyes. Someday, she whispered to the wind, I will do something big. Not just for me, but for everyone. Years passed, and Sudha became the only girl in her engineering college. The halls echoed with whispers, why is she here? But Sudha didn't just stay, she excelled. Later, she joined the Indian Institute of Science. When Tata Motors advertised a job saying ladies need not apply, she wrote directly to the chairman, J.R.D. Tata. Weeks later, she became the first female engineer at Tata Motors. The letter Sudha wrote wasn't angry, it was honest. She believed that being a woman shouldn't stop her from building machines. Tata Motors agreed. On her first day, she wore a plain sari and walked into a world of engines, blueprints, and steel. As a pioneer, at IISc, she met Narayana Murthy, a man who believed in computers more than people. But Sudha saw something deeper. They fell in love. Not with gifts or flowers, but through shared ideas and conversations. When Murthy dreamed of starting a company, Sudha said, I believe in you, and gave him 10,000 rupees, all she had, while Murthy built Infosys. Sudha built the foundation, managing the home, raising their children, and never complaining. She once said, he handled business, I handled life. In 1981, her 10,000 rupees became the seed of one of India's biggest IT companies. As wealth came, Sudha didn't buy jewelry or fancy cars. She chose to build schools, libraries, and toilets in forgotten villages. Through the Infosys Foundation, she reached where no one else would, sometimes by bullock cart. One villager asked, why are you here, Amma? She smiled and said, because I promised myself I would help people like you. Sudha began to write, not just about technology or success, but about kindness, simplicity, and real people. Her books became bedtime stories. Her words too today. When a young girl in a small town opens a book, becomes an engineer, or dreams bigger, Sudha Murthy's spirit lives on, because she never forgot where she came from, and she never stopped believing in the power of a kind, determined heart. And ED into life lessons. She showed children how to be good humans, not just good students. She received the Padma Shri, and later, the Padma Bhushan, but Sudha always stayed simple. She wore cotton saris. She cooked her own meals. She traveled economy class. She believed greatness is not in how high you rise, but in how many people rise with you. And just like that, we come to the end of today's inspiring journey, but not the end of inspiration. Today, we walked beside a young girl who dared to dream with clay under her feet and fire in her heart. We saw how kindness, courage, and a simple 10,000 rupees became the foundation of millions of futures. If this story touched your heart, if it reminded you that real heroes don't wear caps, they wear simplicity, then please, show your love, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe to our channel for more real-life stories that move you and teach you. This is just the beginning. In our upcoming episodes, we'll bring you more lives that lit the world, stories of dreamers, change makers, and unsung heroes from our land. Till then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep believing in the power of simple people who do extraordinary things. Thank you for being a part of this journey. We'll see you again in the next life story.